my 0 viewers. So yesterday we did a question on linked list. Not we, I did a question on linked list. That is to reverse a linked list in group of size k. So we did couple of steps. I didn't revise that. Okay, so let's revise it first, and then we'll move on to our next question, that is sort a linked list. Okay. First I'll revise, then before starting our new question, I'll quickly share a story of today's event. So to reverse a linked list in group of size k, we have to make 3 pointers: temp, current, head, and previous tail. The temp is used to iterate over a linked list. Current head is the head of current linked list, which is going to be reversed. Previous tail is the pointer pointing to the tail of previous linked list that is going to be merged into our current head after reversal. That's for sure. And we'll create a while loop, and we'll we will iterate over our linked list using temp, and whenever our count will be divisible by k, it means whenever we got the k nodes which is going to be reversed, we simply make a if block inside which we are going to do the process. And now what is the process? So store we will create a next pointer in which we will store the next node, basically, which will be our future current head. Okay, so now we will make temp dot next to head to null. Why so? Because we are going to reverse now the k linked list. So using iterative or recursive method, we will create a new function for that to reverse a linked list. Store that inside current head, and inside which we will pass current head only. Um, so it will give us the head of reversed linked list. After that, we will firstly check if our count is equals to k. It means it is reversed the very first way, the very first time. It is reversed very first time. So we will going to store our head or update our head to current head. Simple as that. And if previous tail exists, initially we will initialize previous tail as null, and if previous head exists, uh, it means there is already linked list which is reversed already. So to what we are going to do, we will link our previous tail to current head. Simple as that. And after that, we will check we will create a while loop and check if current dot next exists and iterate over current head. And when we go to the last node of our reverse linked list, we will basically link our current head to basically the tail of our currently reversed linked list to the next pointer that we stored in this if block at the very first time, in the very first line. Okay, so when we done that, then we will update our current head to next, and temp to current head, right? And yeah, that is pretty much it. And when this if blocks end, then we will be simple as the temp equals to temp dot next, and count will increase. And in the end, when this while loop completes, we will simply return the head, which is our updated head, that is for sure. Okay, so now it's time for story. So I have mentioned couple of points in my WhatsApp. I am opening it on laptop. So basically, I helped a person today. We both need help from each other since it was a Diwali event and we were deciding poses. I was helping him to decide pose, and he told me we'll mutually help each other. I said okay. So I was helping him. I was deeply involved in why he should do that, this, and very in a very helpful way. I helped him. Okay. Now when my turn came, so he didn't suggested me anything. In fact, I I have two poses in my mind. One is Shah Rukh Khan, the that, and one is this type of pose. So they both look, they both will look very bad in the outfit that that I'll be going to wear at that time, and all of the people present there know what I'm going to wear. So two girls were standing next to us. When I asked him, the guy, he told me, "Oh, both are looking fine, good you." But these girls started laughing because I was doing this and this, acting like that. So one of them, when I saw them, they told that नहीं लग रहा अच्छा. Then when I looked at that guy, and then she girl said in a very slow tone, झूठ बोल रहे हैं. He's lying. And the boy's face was like, "Huh, huh." You know what I mean? He was shocked that his fault has been caught or something. What should I say? So the moral of story is don't help such person. Who are not, when you know these kind of person that the personality of this guy is not so great, so and don't ask advice to them as well. So also मैं चल रहा था एक जगह, आज दिवाली फैशन वीक था, तो एक बंदा काफ़ी सीनियर पोजीशन पे वो गाली देता हुआ चल रहा था. ही वाज यूजिंग अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज एट द टाइम फॉर हिज बॉस probably, and he didn't knew I was behind him because everyone was in the ground. And that time I realized that not everyone's day is as exciting as yours. I don't know. I don't felt that good for that guy, and somehow I realized that be balanced. Don't go don't get too excited or too low for someone's behavior or for any function. I'm really tired, so we have talked enough. Now it's time to do a question. Okay. So what's the question to sort a linked list? So we're gonna sort it. Firstly, let's say we have created a linked list. So we will store this in an array. We'll sort this array, create a new array, or we will fill up this existing array inside. We'll fill up this existing array, existing linked list, or update this existing linked list using this array. This could be the one way. Okay, but it is using on as a space. But definitely the interviewer wants me to do it other way. So what is the other way? It is the merge sort of a linked list. Very, very cool. Merge sort of a linked list. So how we are going to do this question? Firstly, merge sort. What does merge sort means? To divide this linked list into two parts, and then further divide till the last element, and after that merge it in a sorted way. Okay. So in linked list, how we will approach it? Firstly, using slow and fast pointer, split it into half using hare and tortoise algorithm basically. So okay, and once it is half, we will break this from the half. We will break this linked list. Let's say slow dot next equals to null, and before that, what we are going to do is fast is before doing slow dot next equals to null, fast equals to slow dot next. Uh, it's necessary to store that as well. And after that, we will do the merge sort for slow and merge sort, basically recursion for fast. And these will give me the sorted array, sorted first half and sorted second half. Okay. And after that, we will um, merge linked list. Very, very cool. So we will create another function merge linked list. I hope my voice is not in the sleepy mode. Merge linked list where we will take two linked list as input as argument. Linked list. Very, very cool. Hmm. And we'll simply merge them using uh, for loop, while loop, whatever loop you're going to use. So while linked list 1 and linked list 2, any of them exist, we'll basically create a new node. Let's say we'll create list node slash temp is equals to new node 5. Okay, new list node would be here. So while L1 and L2, if any of them exist, so if L1 data is greater than L2 data, so what will happen is we will simply temp dot next equals to L2. Okay, so temp equals to temp dot next, and L2 dot next equals to L2 before L2 equals to L2 dot next, and temp dot next equals to null. And if if we have checked, so else temp dot next equals to L1, temp equals to temp dot next, and L1 equals to L1 dot next, and temp dot next equals to null. Okay, and if L1 exists, then temp dot next equals to L1. If L2 exists, then temp dot next equals to L2. Simply simple. And then return temp node dot next. So this is a very simple question. This is not that hard that I was thinking it's going to be hard. So I'll quickly implement it. What I have told is basically a correct approach. So I will create a private list node, merge node slash n1 comma. We are basically creating arguments for our newly created member function, that is merge, whose functionality is to merge to linked list in sorted form. So list node temp node list node asterisk node equals to new list node 0, and list node temp equals to node. Okay, so while L1 and L2 exist, you have to check if L1 data is greater than L2 data. It means L2 is slower, so we have to do is temp dot next equals to L2, L2 equals to L2 dot next, and temp dot next equals to null. But before doing that, we have to make temp equals to temp dot next, else temp dot next equals to L1, and temp equals to temp dot next, and L1 equals to L1 dot next, and temp dot next equals to null. Okay, and after that we will come out of this while loop. If L1 exists, then temp dot next equals to L1. If L2 exists, so no necessary need to create another line, or basically to make it extra readable. Equals to L2, and then return node node next. So I have created a merge function which is going to merge our linked list. So if so in our main function sort list we are given a head of a linked list. Now we are checking if head exists. If head equals to null, or head dot next equals to null. Basically, if linked list contains zero or one element, it means we have to return simply head. Okay, so list node temp equals to head, list node slash slow pointer we have created from head, list node slash temp, sorry, fast equals to head, while fast exists and fast next exists. I believe one and two. Okay, so we are going to do temp equals to slow, slow equals to slow dot next, and fast equals to fast dot next. Now slow temp dot next, temp dot next equals to null, and list node slash L1 equals to equals to sort list of head and list node slash L2 equals to sort list of slow. Now we'll simply return merge of L1 comma L2. So it has given an error that semicolon is missing from the return statement. No mode. So val is present in our lead code and data is used in geeks for geeks. That is the error. No number name data in. Okay. It should pass. Oh, it has passed. So beats 99.67%, 45 millisecond runtime. Okay, pretty cool. So it's already 115. Sorted linked list. In Striver A to Z series that I am following. I have only one question left for linked list, that is flattening a linked list. It's nothing but to sort a linked list and you are given multiple linked list. You have to sort that. Yes, that is this is the question. So probably you are given a list of linked list and you have to sort. You have to create one linked list which is sorted of all the linked list. Basically, when we combine them, we have to the order of the linked list is should be sorted. So it look like same to me, and I'm full of uh, sleep at this moment. So bye. It's one question done for today. So I'm getting cold. Maybe. Okay. Bye everyone. See ya. Harsh signing off. Harsh signing off. Bye 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 bye.